All right, guys. So today we're going to be jump starting a 13 Victory. So we did have to take off the little panel here that goes on the side with the Allen tools that the customer had, and then we were able to gain access to the battery, which is down here in the front, and then I grounded up here to a bolt on the frame, which we really can't see too well, and we got the Noco GB150 jump box hooked to it. It's reading 8-9 volts, something like that. Turn it on. It should jump up to like 11 something, 12. There we go. And then go ahead and try it out.
Oh,
see what we can get.
See what happens here. We're getting nothing.
Nothing. All right. So on this box, sometimes if the battery's completely wiped out, you'll have to hit this little red exclamation button here. This is gonna override the system and kind of give it all the boost. So now try it again.
Holy shit.
Nothing.
Nothing.
All right. That's crazy. Let's adjust the ground. All right, try it again. Not even getting any lights or anything.
I'm not getting shit now.
It's crazy.
Holy fuck.
It's crazy. There we go. Just had to move the connection around. Oh, I let it off too soon. Gotta keep it clamped on there. There we go. How to jumpstart your Victory motorcycle. Hell yeah. So let's leave that on for a minute because it doesn't have an alternator, so see how it goes. Will it stay running?
Yeah, I think it is. So basically what happens is because of the hydraulics and all the machine.
Alright guys, so this battery's not coming back to life, so the bike's, without an alternator, is just basically going to live off of this box. Once you disconnect it, it's going to shut off, and you can reconnect it and start it again, but
Yeah,
it's not going to rejuvenate, so I'll have to get a new battery.